What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. I am a professional hairstylist, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me, that's me, but only nice things, please. Today, I'm going to show you something that's super sweet and simple, but something that makes life a lot easier when you are using color tubes, and that is a color key and how to use it. What you'll do is you'll just put your color key on the back of your color and roll it down, and that makes it possible to get the maximum amount of color out of your tube. And sometimes the consistency of color is super thick, so it's actually hard to like squish out with your hands. So this makes it so much easier. And if you have one of these and don't want to use it for that, it works great on toothpaste as well. All right, y'all, let me know if this was helpful in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, I know it was super quick, but if you enjoyed it, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's The Real Ray. Bye.